How to get MiUi 14 widget panel on any MiUi device. So if you want to get the widget panel, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, go with the apps section. Under apps, you can go with show all apps, and then you will have the system launcher app. Simply search for it. And under the system launcher, you can simply tap on it, and under the app info, you can uninstall it or you can update it if you have any updates. And once you've done that, now you can simply go with the home settings. Under home settings, you will have the widget panel option. You can simply go with the widget panel and then you can add your widget panel. But if you don't get that option, then remember to again install the system launcher. And once you again install it, then it will automatically update if it has any updates pending. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. And make sure to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can get MiUi 14 widget panel on any MiUi device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.